Hey, this is Kevin with TrueShine. Still got my Eastwood buffer, and now I'm using their new portable lighting system. The stand is sturdier than most, and with the battery-powered lights, it makes buffing a whole lot easier because you don't have to trip over the cords. I'm going to show you how I use this system when buffing this Porsche Boxster. The battery powered option is nice because it does allow you to put the light down and you can shine up from below too. And then the stand is very sturdy. This is a solid, nothing's getting loose on this thing. And being able to mount it on here is nice because then you can angle the lights however you want. So to find out more about this product and to add it to your arsenal of tools, go to eastwood.com.